We are at the Days Inn in Grove, Oklahoma for Spyder Jamboree. It's their third year. We've never been to this one before. And this Days Inn has a huge area for trucks and such. And they'll have their vendors set up in this area. But this first post here happened to be a 30 amp, and they're letting us stay here. We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Now it's time to get the Spyders down. Multiple vendors, lots of bikes. Well, I broke down and bought myself some sheepskin to put on my seat and on my back, which will help me keep from sweating when we're traveling, especially in hot Atlanta. Very soft, very nice. And Dave went ahead and got a cover for his head while we were there.
Yeah, I got a solar cover.
Getting ready for a run to downtown for some truck food and music. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.